How to fix Chrome screen not working. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Chrome. Now once you're done, simply tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Chrome and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down, click on apps, tap on app management. Now tap on search bar or scroll down until you find Chrome. Simply tap on Chrome. Now tap on forward stop. Go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. Now go back to the home screen and restart Chrome. I hope this should fix it soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.